Dad,
What happened?
admit card.
This is the limit.
Hurry up, 5 minutes more and then no entry.
My dad is almost here.
Do you remember what you had studied for the exam? Or have you forgotten that too? Now do it well. It seems the plane of aircraft engineering did not land well. Now say something. Was it all bad or there's some hope?
It's just that the exam didn't go as expected.
What happened, sir? Oh, sorry, sir. Actually, its nut has become loose, so it keeps moving due to bumpy roads. I will get it fixed today only. Please, don't issue us a fine.
Please relax, sir, relax. I'm not fining you, just telling you. It's not challan I'm worried about, it's about your life. In any case, if this small mirror is turned in a wrong direction, it can cause a lot of accidents. I don't think I have to explain this to you. You're smart enough to understand. Okay, since you stopped, then show me your RC license. All the documents, come on.
Yes. Get off, son.
RC and license?
I have that too, sir.
Show me.
Just hold it, son.
You can't find it? Now do I have the permission to find you?
Actually, sir, my son had an entrance exam today, so I forgot them at home in a hurry.
Sir, since when did hurrying for something become valuable than life? This insurance, this is also expired.
It is expired.
Which entrance exam are you taking?
Sir, it's engineering exam.
Engineering. They are going to be the future of our country. And you are putting his future in danger, huh? Insurance is not just a mere formality. If something bad happens to you or to anybody else apart from your vehicle, then you get financial safety and security from it, which means his future is safe.
Sir, I agree that I have done a mistake. But
See, I
sir,
will have to fine you for this.
Sir, the documents.
DigiLocker. Very good.
What is this and how?
Dad, you had forgotten your license before once.
Yes.
So I thought I'd upload it on DigiLocker, so we won't face the problem again.
Mr. Engineer is a smart guy. He saved you today by saving your documents in this DigiLocker. But my dear, your father still hasn't got his vehicle's insurance. And for that reason, I will have to fine you.
Sir, I will get the insurance. Please, if you can.
Sir, listen. Please pick him up. Let us take him to the nearest hospital. I'll just call for an auto.
Sir. Please don't involve us in all of this. See, if something happens to him, then we will get stuck in the court cases and all. I will just call an ambulance.
Sir, listen. What are you talking about? We have a life and death situation at hand here. Ambulance will take some time to come. Let's just get him some first aid.
Dad, sir is right. Under the Good Samaritan law, if you help an injured person on the road, no legal action will be taken against you. And Dad, think about it. If I were on the road instead of this guy, then...
Auto!
Thank you, Bhai Sahab. Thank you for saving that boy's life. And Beta, thank you for making your father understand.
Sir, we have just followed your dedication.
Beta, do you know? When it comes to accidental deaths in the world, our country is at the first position. But what you did today, even though it's just a drop in the ocean, with that we've been able to move ahead in securing our roads. And for that reason, I would like to thank you. But you will still be fined because of not having the insurance. And the fine is that by tomorrow your father should have your scooter's insurance.
What are you thinking, Dad?
I'm thinking that how did my smart and talented boy forgot his admit card in the morning?
After all, whose son am I, Dad? By the way, the admit card can't be uploaded on DigiLocker.
Yes.
Otherwise, I'd never forget it.
Yeah.
By the way, Dad,
Yes.
I'll be turning 18 next year. So, shall I drive it home now?
My dear son, no driving till you get your license. And the traffic inspector isn't that far. Should I call him back?
I'll wait for a year, Dad.
You understood very quickly. Come on, sit down. Shall we?